Is your Mac not detecting your HP printer? Don't worry. This is a common issue and it's usually easy to fix. Whether your printer isn't showing up in the printer list or your Mac can't find it. The problem is often caused by a connection issue or a printing system glitch. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to help your Mac detect your HP printer again. Follow the steps carefully and by the end of this guide, your printer should be ready to use. If you need extra help, feel free to call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Now, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Restart your device. So first, go ahead and press the power button to turn off your printer completely. Now, if the printer doesn't turn off for some reason, no worries. Just disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer and then unplug it from the wall outlet as well. Once that's done, just wait for 60 seconds. Give your printer time to fully power down and reset. And yes, while you're waiting here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you never miss our future tips and tutorials. Now, go ahead and plug the power cord back into the wall outlet first, and then plug it back into the printer. This order matters because it helps with the reset process. Then, press the power button to turn on your printer back. Give it a moment to fully boot up. And once your printer is up and running, head over to your Mac and click on the Apple icon in the upper left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select Restart, and then just let the Mac reboot. Your Mac will shut down and turn back on automatically. Now, if restarting your device didn't do the trick, go ahead and try the next method, where we'll reset your printing system. This is usually a solution if a simple restart doesn't work. Also, if you find this video helpful, please like this video. Method 2. Reset the printing system. On your Mac, click on the Spotlight search icon, that's the magnifying glass in the top right corner. Type printers and scanners and open it. Now, control-click on your HP printer in the list and from the menu that appears, select Reset Printing System. A confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure you want to reset your printing system. Just go ahead and click on Reset to confirm. Once that's done, power off your printer completely. Then wait a moment and power it back on. Give it a moment to fully boot up. Now, head back to the same printers and scanners window on your Mac and click on Add a printer. Your Mac will search for available printers. Simply select your HP printer from the list that appears and click on Add. Just wait a moment while your Mac sets up your printer. Once it's done, you should be all good to go.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.